बच्चों आज हम बात करेंगे सम एप्लीकेशंस ऑफ ट्रिग्नोमेट्री चैप्टर से रिलेटेड कुछ कॉन्सेप्ट्स के बारे में। इन द प्रीवियस चैप्टर यू हैव स्टडी अबाउट ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक रेशियोज। इन दिस चैप्टर you will be studying about some ways in which trigonometry is used in the life around you. Trigonometry is one of the most ancient subjects studied by scholars all over the world. As we have said in chapter 8, trigonometry was invented because its need arose in astronomy. Since then, the astronomers have used it, for instance, to calculate distances from the Earth to the planet and stars. Trigonometry is also used in geography and in navigation. The knowledge of trigonometry is used to construct maps, determine position of an island in relation to the longitudes and latitudes. In this chapter, we will see how trigonometry is used to finding the heights and distances of various objects without actually measuring them. Heights and distances. तो यहाँ पे ये क्या है, कुतुब मीनार है, कुतुब मीनार है। और यहाँ से बच्चा है जो यहाँ से मतलब मीनार की टॉप को देख रहा है। तो जो ये एंगल बनेगा ना, इसको बोल रहे हैं एंगल ऑफ एलिवेशन। जब हम अपने दृष्टि से नीचे से ऊपर की ओर देखते हैं तो एंगल ऑफ एलिवेशन बनता है। और ये होगी लाइन ऑफ साइट, इसको इस तरह से ड्रॉ कर सकते हैं। यहाँ पे बी है, ए बी सी डी ई। तो ये एंगल कितना हो जाएगा, एंगल ऑफ एलिवेशन, और ये लाइन ऑफ साइट In this figure, the line AC drawn from the eye of the student to the top of the minar is called line of sight. The student is looking at the top of the minar. The angle BAC so formed by the line of the sight with horizontal is called angle of elevation of the top of the minar from the eye of the student. Thus, the line of sight is the line drawn from the eye of an observer to the point in the object viewed by the observer. The angle of elevation of the point viewed is the angle formed by the line of sight with the horizontal. When point being viewed is above the horizontal level, it is the case when we raise our head to look at the object. तो ये ग्राउंड है और यहाँ पे एक लड़की खड़ी है और ये हॉरिजॉन्टल लेवल है, हॉरिजॉन्टल लेवल। यहाँ कोई ऑब्जेक्ट है और वो इसको देख रही है। तो ये ऑब्जेक्ट है, तो ये क्या हो जाएगा, लाइन ऑफ साइट। तो यहाँ पे जो एंगल बनेगा वो हो जाएगा एंगल ऑफ एलिवेशन, एंगल ऑफ एलिवेशन, और ये हॉरिजॉन्टल लेवल है। Now consider the situation. The girl sitting on the balcony is looking down at the flower pot placed on the stair of the temple. In this case, the line of the sight is below the horizontal level. The angle so formed by the line of sight with the horizontal is called the angle of depression. Thus, the angle of depression of a point on the object being viewed is the angle formed by the line of sight with the horizontal when the point is below the horizontal level. It is the case when we lower our head to look at the point being viewed. तो इसमें क्या है, इस तरह से ये कोई ऑब्जेक्ट है और इसको देखा जा रहा है। तो ये जो एंगल बनेगा वो हो जाएगा एंगल ऑफ डिप्रेशन। एंगल ऑफ डिप्रेशन और ये हो जाएगा हॉरिजॉन्टल लेवल, हॉरिजॉन्टल लेवल। Now you may identify the lines of sight and the angles so formed. Are they angles of elevation or angle of depression? Let us refer to the figure. If you want to find the height CD of the minar without actually measuring it, what information do you need? You would need to know the following. This figure में you would need to know the following: the distance DE, the distance D at which the student is standing from the foot of the minar. Second, the angle of elevation angle BAC of the top of the minar. Third, the height AE of the student. Assuming that the above three conditions are known, how can we determine the height of the minar? In the figure, CD is equal to कितना होगा, CB plus BD. Here BD is equal to AE, which is the height of the student. To find BC, we will use trigonometric ratios of angle BAC or angle A. In triangle ABC, the side BC is the opposite side in relation to known angle A. Now, which of the trigonometric ratio can be used? Which one of the name has the two values that we have and the one we need to determine? Our search narrows down to using the either tan A or cot A, as the ratios involve AB and BC. Therefore, tan A is equal to BC. Tan A is equal to BC upon AB. और cot A is equal to AB upon BC, क्योंकि tan A cot A एक दूसरे रेशियो होते हैं. Which on solving would give us BC? By adding AE to BC, you will get the height of the minar.